Next, alam na natin na marami na sa mga foreign workers na nasa Quebec ay nag-start ng maghanap ng new employers outside Quebec. If nasa ganito ka ng kalagayan, you must choose a solid and compliant employer that can help you renew your work permits and could support your PR application. These employers are typically found dealing with legit and long-standing immigration/recruitment companies like Mercan Group. I know many are worried about their work permit status. You need to maintain your work permits by renewing them on time. And there's no surprise if some may seek employment offer na may kapalit na bayad. But guys, that's not legal. At worst, magbayad ka man, hindi rin garantisado na legit talaga yung pangangailangan ng workers ng employer na nagpapabayad sa LMIA nila. Mercan's clients benefit from our advice kung saang employer ka mapapabuti. And if super qualified ka naman, ay baka sakaling mai-refer ka din ng Mercan sa aming network of compliance and legit employers across Canada. Valid job offers are quite rare nowadays, but you can be assured Mercan shall not charge, seek, receive, or accept any monies from you for finding you an employer in Canada. If you have what it takes and your existing contract is soon to expire, hindi mahirap mai-place ka sa ibang employer. Lastly, kailangan mo ng magandang reference mula sa current employer mo dito sa Canada para kung sakaling lilipat ka ay madali kang mai-place sa isang bagong employer na compliant, legit, at may pangangailangan talaga sa mga legit na workers kagaya mo.